YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. In the woodworking, I'm into woodworking, automotive stuff, metal stuff. I kind of do a lot. That's kind of why I'm a jack of all, master of none. I probably try and do too many things. But in woodworking, you see this a lot. When somebody's painting or staining something, you know, they make things you can buy. But this is just a piece of wood, scrap piece with some nails through it. And a lot of times they'll put that on there, a piece of wood, and they'll paint it or stain it, and then flip it around, paint or stain this part, and it works fine. Now, in the automotive world, you can't really do that because it really does matter if you got 4 little tiny nicks in there, in most cases. But in this case, where I'm just kind of doing some undercoating, I'm going to clean these up and paint them with some of this Rust-Oleum undercoating stuff. And I really don't care if it's perfect, to be honest. So it works great in this kind of situation. I can paint this side, flip it over, put that on there, paint this side, and those 4 little nicks down there probably you won't even be able to hardly tell they're there. Like I said, I see this a lot in the woodworking field, but it can be used for this kind of stuff as well. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.